Alright, so we have the Archos.
Yes.
And so can you explain a little bit your role at Archos?
Yes, I'm the product manager. At the same time, I show all the new products to the press. And today we are showing the 604 Wi-Fi as a pre-announce. So it's a pre-announce to show what the future will be, the next future will be with the Archos products.
Yeah, but it's a pre-announce, but it's coming quite soon still, huh?
Yes, it will come before Christmas. So that's why we show this product today at IFA.
All right, so it looks like the 604.
Exactly, it looks like the 604. It will be a little bit different because it's not totally the final, but it will be look exactly the same shape as the 604.
All right, so can you say a little bit about the browser on it?
Yes, we were using Opera browser in order to surf on the net and to access to your webmail.
Webmail also.
Yes, exactly.
So
you go with your Opera Explorer, your Opera, and then you will get to your webmail automatically.
All right. So there's a Wi-Fi sniffer. You find the Wi-Fi in the area?
In fact, when you active the Wi-Fi, it detects automatically all the network and it gives you how the network are protected by a web key, by WPA, or if it's free, it's open.
And how about if you want to go to T-Com, can you log in and pay with your credit card and all that?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah?
You will access exactly like you access with your PC.
So does the browser, can you say if it has a cookie support, JavaScript, Flash?
For the moment I can't tell you everything. We just introduce this product. We will give you more information when it will be available.
Alright, so but actually in the press release, you have a press release about this product?
Yes.
And it says that in Q4 there will be shoutcast,
exactly.
IPTV.
We have announced a lot of things that will come also by upgrade firmware. Not necessarily at the launch of the product, but we are preparing to have some firmware upgrade, yes.
Firmware upgrades with more IP-centric features.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Exactly. All the stuff that is on the press release, I think everybody's got access to this press release, and
those features are quite sure.
Those features are quite sure, but it will not be launched at the start. It will be launched just a little bit after, depending on the date of the release.
How about other features? Is that possible to imagine that there will be more and more features?
Exactly. All the product with Archos, and especially the Wi-Fi, will certainly have more and more features because Wi-Fi is a new technology used by a lot of partner. So we could imagine each time we have an agreement with a partner, we could offer a new solution on Wi-Fi.
All right. So is it possible to think that it might do voice over IP at some point, or?
We could just imagine everything now. It's just a question of partnership.
Partnerships.
Yeah, partnership. Because technology. When you use another technology from another partner, you must have a partnership.
All right. Is it so there's also, I mean, you have talked about before in some what's it called previous press releases, or what's it called meetings with investors and stuff. You were talking about some other technologies like 3.5G.
Yeah, that's what I announced Henri Grass at the last investor. He showed that in the future we're thinking about doing a lot of product around several technology in order that the Archos product is more and more compatible. Yes.
More and more compatible with so on the go, more and more on the go.
Exactly.
Yeah.
More and more on the go solution. Yes.
Yeah. And how about DVB-T? The last one you have is a 700 TV, right?
Yes, exactly. But that's still available, and that's for the moment the only product that is available today on the market, which has got a built-in DVB-T tuner. Yeah.
But have you tried to put it down to a size like this, the DVB-T?
Yeah, we're always working to improve products, so you will see in the future perhaps some other device with certainly DVB-T, because we are focusing on we have already done one product, why not doing another product? But for the moment, we are not releasing anything.
All right. But so actually, this product, does it compete with the Nokia 770?
I think it's a totally new concept. You have a real multimedia product with real and powerful multimedia function, like to be able to read DVD resolution, and you get access wireless to your network in order to play, for example, your content from a PC which is linked to your home network, or going on the nets in order to surf on internet or to get your your webmail.
So it's the first product of this kind.
Yes, totally. That's not a PDA. That's a real powerful multimedia solution that everybody loves to have in his pocket with a wireless connection.
So it's it's a different strategy than using Qtopia. It's really multimedia centric.
It's another strategy. So we will see in the future how with what the client is requesting around this product, what they expect to have. For the moment, I think we have made this product because we have a certain amount of clients who want a wireless solution and also a multimedia product, the two together, with a touchscreen.
So it's really a marketing strategy, a new one. You want to get the IP-centric out to people, no?
Yes, exactly. It's you know, today you are going everywhere and you want to get a wireless connection. That's a product for you.
And it's also competing with the Sony Milo, is it?
Yeah, we are competing, yes and no. You have several products which is doing Wi-Fi, but this is not oriented the same as Archos. Archos is really oriented multimedia product and dedicate more video, TV recording, because you can record also TV with this product. So it's a product who is doing wireless, but not all the product which is doing wireless is doing exactly the same thing, and has not the same capacity inside, like a 30 gigabyte.
Yeah. And the fourth generation, it includes a whole new strategy to get the price down. How does it work?
Yeah, in fact, the new generation 4 offers the possibility of anybody to get an Archos player at a very reasonable price, and then he will choose his solution. It's a real solution. You will, for example, buy an optional TV station, we call it DVR station, in order to record from TV directly and also make schedule recording. Or you are traveling and you want to access to your digital camera and put a photo inside. Or you have, for example, the same camera as you have here, and you want to convert in very rapidly your movie in MPEG-4 and post it on the blog. Like that, you have nothing. You are not using a very dedicated software with a powerful machine. You just have to link your Archos and then transfer your video directly in MPEG-4 in order to post it on the blog.
To the world.
Yeah, exactly. So that's also because today, when you make a video, you want to post it rapidly to your friends, and that's a way we think people want to use, because people today they store a lot of video cassette. So you see, and we offer also some speakers. You can use also like a USB docking station. You get USB 2 to connect to your PC, and also USB 2 host in order to plug also your camera. And also what is totally new on the DVR station, you access to new connector like S-Video, YPB-PR, and also to SPDIF, okay? Plus USB 2 host port in order to put external hard drive, like a 500 gigabyte hard drive, to put all your content inside, everything you have recorded, and to back up some stuff when you are...
Without a computer?
Without a computer, you don't need to use a computer. USB host allowed two peripherals to communicate without any computer, and also you can copy one way or the other way. I can give you something, or I take something from you.
How fast is a USB host? Because
USB host is USB 2 host.
It's full USB 2,
yes,
or is
so
it a bit slower than
No. That's exactly high-speed USB 2 host. This means you transfer the same speed as a computer.
Really?
Really?
Because I've seen some other USB hosts and they go very, very slow.
No, the one USB 2 host we have here is faster than the previous AV500, and it's real high speed, so you will transfer 700 megabyte in 2 minutes.
But how about the what's it called, the NTFS formatted hard drive? Would that work? Do you know?
I don't know for the moment.
Yeah?
I will answer you.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
But so the DVR station has a component output.
Yeah.
Does that provide a better quality, even though it's only DVD resolution video?
Yeah. It will provide you. If you have a nice screen, you will see a big difference. Depending also the quality of your screen. You be very careful sometimes. It's also you need to have a correct and good resolution screen, a good quality screen, because you could buy an LCD or a plasma sometimes for a very cheap price, and you have at the end a very good.
So I mean, does it upscale? Is that a word? Upscale the video to, even though it's DVD resolution, it kind of makes it look better on a high definition TV.
No. YPVPR is just a way to send the video through your TV, and it splits in 3 parts the video, because you know today composite is only video. The YPVPR you get black and white, and then you separate the color also. And that's why when you are your TV, which is equipped with this type of component, can restitute on the TV a better signal.
Yeah, but how about the compatibility with the DVR? Will there be any Wi-Fi with this product with the DVR? Like maybe some TV anywhere, or what do you call it? Like if you have a DVR with a Wi-Fi, could you transfer? Or is that anything you can talk about?
No, I don't say. No, for the moment it's just a pre-release. When we're going to launch the product, we're going to give you more details.
Because EcoStar, you're still a big partner with them, no?
Yes, they are part of our company.
Yeah?
Yes.
They're part of your company?
Yes. Okay.
I mean, they own a small part, no?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah? So they are totally into this new generation, aren't they?
Yes, and I think a lot of satellite receiver and people like that are interested to work with us today, because we are capable to adapt our product to those type of set-top box or satellite receiver.
How about WiMAX? Are you testing that?
For the moment, I can't tell you anything about WiMAX, anything about new technology will come.
Right.
Sorry.
But how about? I heard a rumor that there's a high definition Texas Instrument chip, a next generation. Can you not say anything about that?
Rumor is always rumor.
It's rumor. Okay.
No, rumor is rumor. I mean, it's and why we have to say something before it's end up. I mean, it's just I think that's not good to tell people something for the moment who is not available.
How about the Wi-Fi on a 2.5-inch hard drive? How about the 504 Wi-Fi? Is that anything you can say about? Is that possible? Or
everything is possible in theory. Okay.
In theory.
But today we are showing you this product. I mean, when you want to have a Wi-Fi product, you want to have a small and slim product also.
Yeah.
It's
small
not.
And slim.
Yes. I mean, if you want because you access to all your content from network, why do you need a big hard drive? You need a sufficient hard drive when you want to play video, when you have got not access to Wi-Fi. When you got access to Wi-Fi, you could access to all content you want.
All right. There's also there's a lot of fans of Archos in France.
Yes.
And they're asking about there's a price when it's announced in France. Sometimes it's different, or it gets to be different than other countries in Europe. Is that because of a special?
No, that's just the only difference of price. It will be VAT or taxes that you have according to the country. Some countries get some tax, some countries get no tax. Some country has a different VAT. That's why you have those difference of price. There is no really difference in price in Europe.
So it's just because of the French tax. They have this tax on MP3 players.
You have the tax and the VAT, which is sometimes different country by country.
All right. And how about now you have this codec plugins? H.264 DVD resolution and MPEG-2 DVD resolution.
Yeah, MPEG-2 is necessarily DVD resolution.
All right, yeah, of course. But how about the AC3 sound will work with the DivX files now? If you buy the codec, is that something that's possible?
Yes, it's possible. Yes, totally.
So that means you have a system where you can control the plugins, because you have to pay the license fee for the codecs, no?
Yeah. The client will pay the license fee according to
so it's an option.
Yes, an option. Because you don't need necessarily MPEG-2 or H.264. Today it will be enough for normal users to use only MPEG-4 and WMV. Because MPEG-4 is almost common like MP3 is for the music, MPEG-4 is the most common codec used in video, and WMV, why? Because WMV is for the video on demand. So WMV in DVD resolution corresponds exactly to the video on demand that you are capable to download for your PC today.
So you don't need to have the small video on demand version. You can just get the normal one for the PC and just make it work there.
No.
Pocket Media Center version of video on demand. It was a small file.
Yeah. If you follow the website from Archos, you will see that we are playing a better resolution than QVGA today. With, for example, when you download a Canal Play, you upload a film where the resolution is 480 by 360. So it's better than QVGA. And in the future, with some partner, you will be able. Just a question of license. To have the license to put on your device, you will be able to put a film that's going to have DVD resolution, so it means 720 by 576 in PAL or 700 by 480 in NTSC.
How about some people would like maybe to be able to record the audio in MP3? Is that possible to buy the license for that?
For
to add that feature?
I think we are using Wave, PCM and DPCM. I think it's fantastic because you get a very high quality. After you could convert any time in MP3. It's very easy today. So you don't need necessarily to buy MP3. You could just convert after an MP3 if you want. So
if people want to make a video podcast, they can just they have to encode the audio. I mean, it's better to put MP3 sound than a video, no? When you do podcast.
Well, depending on what you're doing, also.
Yeah.
Okay, but you could re-encode and put an MP3 if you have a license on your PC.
Right.
Yeah, why not?
Do you have the camcorder here to show? Can you show that on video?
Not the camcorder. I've not bring it today. So perhaps I will show it to you tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.